A simple place in time. There was a time not long ago, life was simple, pace was slow. Working fathers in their place, mother's home was full of grace. She was there to fill the cup, teach them manners, bring them up. Kids were spanked when they did wrong, families sang a different song. Youth were taught the golden rule in the church and in the school. A time we knew our neighbor's name, country folk down Wooded Lane. There was a wrong, there was a right, honest people didn't fight. TV stations off at 10, local news came on back then. No CDs and no iPods, just radios and fishing rods. No laptops and no cell phones, just happy families, time alone. The days of old have gone away, the men don't take the time to pray. War is raging, hear the cries, overseas a young man dies. Lots of crime out in the street, trust is gone in those we meet. World is angry, people swear, sin is found most everywhere. There was a day we knew no woe, but now our prisons overflow. Life goes on, the pace is fast, days of old will never last. Unborn children silent cry, laws are made, why must they die? Laws are changing, vows are too, Jack and John now say, I do. Bible sits upon the shelf, every man is for himself. Dust has gathered on the word, book of God has gone unheard. How I miss so long ago, life was simple, pace was slow.